Installing a computer bracket and post onto a vintage Encore medication cart. A help video to support your CAPSA product. Tools needed: Phillips screwdriver or cordless drill with a Phillips bit. Computer mounting hardware can be attached to the rear side of the vintage Encore cart. Pick the side that suits your staff. Remove the 4 screws from the chair rail bumper. Line up the metal bracket to the cart side, aligning the 4 holes. The bracket should bend around the corner, following the contour of the cart. Place the chair rail bumper over the bracket. Insert the top screw to hold both parts together. Start the remaining screws, but do not tighten them until all 4 are installed. Firmly tighten all 4 screws. Bolt the computer hardware post to the bracket with the 4 supplied screws. Start all 4 screws. Do not cross thread. Do not tighten until all 4 are installed. Firmly tighten all 4 screws. Insert the set screw into the silver base collar using the included Allen wrench. Slide the silver base collar over the post, slightly above the cart work surface. Tighten the Allen screw. Do not over torque. Slide the AX arm onto the post to the silver base collar. Use the supplied Allen wrench to snug the tension screw. Please contact CAPSA Healthcare should you have any questions or require any assistance.